nakatutok sa nag-iisang paligsahan kung saan tagisan ng galing at pasiklaban ng diskarte ang kailangan. This is Mix Olympics! Once again, we will test the knowledge and skills ng inyong mga favorite celebrities and artists pagdating sa music and pop culture. At ngayon, mga bigatin sa music scene na makakasama natin, to my right, ang team name nila, Pata Team. We got Rico Blanco, Glock 9, Evidencel, and Jamir Garcia. At to my left, ang makakalaban naman nila, Mon Team / Bass Team. Ang pangalan ng kanilang team. So we got, of course, Basti Artadi, Ira Cruz, Francis Brew Reyes, and Monty Macalino. Okay, so boys, ready na ba kayo?
Yeah.
Ready na?
Yay!
Hopefully you guys are. Okay, eto na. Ang game number 1, tawag dito pop quiz. Members of each team will go head-to-head in giving the correct answer to our given question. The first player to press the buzzer gets 5 seconds to answer, but if the answer is incorrect, the other team gets a chance to steal. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. Okay, ganun lang siya kadali. So to start off, let me call over Rico Blanco and Basti. Okay, ganyan dalawa muna to start off. Okay, go. Rico. Okay, kindly press long and hard para makita talaga natin.
Hard! Yeah!
Yes. I get that all the time. Para malaman natin kung sino talaga yung mauna kasi kapag nag-buzz na yung isa, hindi natutunog at ilaw yung isa. Okay, Basti.
O, pahabaan!
Nasi-steal. Okay. may judges naman tayo, Rico. May judges pa rin tayo, so sila nang bahala dyan. Kamay sa side, guys, para fair game tayo to start off. Here we go. This band front woman is one of the new coaches on the US edition of The Voice. Pwede mo kayo sumagot pag alam na. Rico.
Gwen Stefani.
Gwen Stefani is correct! 1 point! Okay lang. Yeah, we move on to the next one.
Next game.
Glock and Ira, kayo naman. So we're gonna have 3 rounds para sa inyo lahat. Iikot tayo. Question number 2. Kamay sa baba, Glock. Okay. She teamed up with legendary crooner Tony Bennett on the album Cheek to Cheek. Glock.
Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga is correct! Updated tong Pata Team, ah. Galing mo, Si Francis, mukhang alam naman yata yun. So, tinan natin. Eben, Francis, kaya na susunod.
We'll see.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Ready na. Here we go.
Last week lang yung napanood.
Miss World Philippines 2014 Valerie Weigman is a product of this reality show. Ebe.
Pinoy Big Brother.
Okay. Pinoy Big Brother is correct! Itong patating hindi na sa choices, ha? Talagang ginagawa ng identification. So, Monty and Jamir to finish off round 1.
Kailangan ko
Mga isa na kayo. Ito na. Question number 4. This late music icon would have turned 50 last October 4, 2014. Letter A, Francis M. Letter B, John Lennon. And letter C, Michael Jackson.
Oh.
Mons?
Michael Jackson.
Letter C, Michael Jackson is incorrect. One more time para sa Jamir. Steal. This late music icon would have turned 50 last October 4, 2014. Letter A, Francis M. Letter B, John Lennon. And letter C, Michael Jackson.
Francis M.
Letter A, Francis M. is correct! 4-0 ang score natin para simulan ng game. Hindi, kaya pa to guys. Rico, Basti kayo ulit. Dito na po. 3 rounds for this game.
Kailangan
Pa.
ng sweep. Pucha.
Okay.
Bill na to!
She, pwede naman. Pwede naman. She interpreted the grand prize winner of Himigandog 2014. Letter A, pwede manghula guys. Letter A, Kyla. Letter B, KZ Tandingan. Letter C, KZ Concepcion. Basti, letter A, Kyla is incorrect. Rico.
Easy tandingan. Easy tandingan.
Sabi ni Rico, si KZ Tandingan. KZ Tandingan is correct. Good try, Basti. At least. Glock, Ira, kayo ulit.
Midaya to.
Ito na ba ang first point ng Mon team / Bass team? We shall see. Scary doll Annabelle was first seen in this horror movie. Letter A, Insidious. Letter B, Maria Leonora Teresa. Hello?
Insidious.
Insidious is incorrect. Ira, chance to see one more time. Scary doll Annabelle was first seen in this horror movie. Insidious, letter A. Letter B, Maria Leonora Teresa. And letter C, The Conjuring. C, The Conjuring is... Score na rin. Evan Francis, kayo na.
Sumakabul pa tayo dito. Teka, ilang rounds ba to?
3 rounds, 3 rounds, 3 rounds. So, midway pa lang tayo. Tingnan natin. Okay, ito na. He collaborated with Basti Artadi and Glock 9 on the song Bagong Siglo. Letter A, Christian Bautista. Ebe.
Christian Bautista.
Christian Bautista is correct!
I knew that.
Naunahan lang, naunahan. Jamie and Monty. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 8. Ha? Lapit na, lapit yan. Baka maunahan ka na naman. He is the most valuable player of the NBA 2013-2014 season. KD or Kevin Durant is absolutely correct.
Polly!
Sabi niya, yung nanay daw niya.
Oh yeah. Mama, you the real MVP. Mommy Durant ang correct answer. Mommy Durant. That is right. Kevin Durant is correct. Rico and Basti, kayo ulit.
Can we just give the point to Rico already?
Tignan natin, Basti, baka this is it. Maybe this is the time. This is the moment. Okay. Basketball. Try.
Pressure, pag mali.
PBA star Mark Pingris is the son-in-law of this showbiz icon. Letter A, Dolphy. Letter B, Joey De Leon. Letter C, Vic Soto.
Vic Soto.
Vic Soto is correct!
Sabi ko na nga ba?
Bawi si Basti sa next game. Ira and Black. Kayo naman? Number 10.
Really?
She posed as Mulan for Walt Disney Southeast Asia's 2014 calendar. Letter A, Heart Evangelista. Letter B, Kim Chu. Letter C, Lea Salonga. Glock?
Alam yun eh.
Hula ka na lang.
Time!
Letter.
Okay.
Okay, may 50%.
Sorry, 2015 calendar. My bad. 2015 calendar. She posed as Mulan for Walt Disney Southeast Asia's 2015 calendar. For you, Ira, letter A, Heart Evangelista. Letter B, Kim Chu. Letter C, Lea Salonga. Letter B, Kim Chu is correct! For a point!
Parang mali pag...
Evan Francis.
Puro tsaka mga point natin.
Question number 11. This next generation OPM artist has released the album Silence/Noise.
May kanta ako dyan. Paolo Valenciano.
Paolo Valenciano is correct!
It's not fair, may collaborative thing.
Monty and Jameer to close out the game.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. This artist's real name is Amethyst Amelia Kelly. Letter A, Kesha. Letter B, Rita Ora. Letter C, Iggy Azalea. Months? C, Iggy Azalea is...
Correct.
Correct! So, close out the game. So, after game number 1, ang total score natin
Hoping na din
is...
lang ako eh. Hoping lang still. Kung magkamali.
8 points para sa Pata team and 4 points para sa Mon team / Bass team, which
Okay
means
lang.
you guys will be the first one to experience ang ating punishment wheel. So, sino bang gusto mag-spin? Mons, do the honors, please.
Lusot agad. Yan, pitik lang yan. Nako! Ayan na!
Up! Fruity Mix! Gagawin nila yan sa pagbabalik lang ng Mix Olympics!
How to make Does Respond on KineMaster. First, grab Swirl 2.0. Set the radius to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Grab 2 pitches, one of them -6 and man voice changer, the other normal. Sync the 2 pitches together. Grab color changer, set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger, and here's the result.
What are you waiting for? Every